I showed my ticket and I am going inside. This is how it looks. I took that. I took tickets from the ticket station that was from the front portion of this. And they say that it's Archaeological Survey of India. Site map, Mahabalipuram talks about these things. And the ticket also said the same thing. I can show you the ticket I bought again. I was getting my ticket at the it was getting checked and the tickets look like this. And I have taken a couple of, and here you see they have got this beautiful, it has got some tourism value, this place. They have got one dome over here and this beautiful enchanted forest in the side of Tamil Nadu, which is a very good place to hang around.
मैंने कहा था ये हमारे निकलने का इंडिकेशन होती है बारिश.
Yeah. And I did a heck a lot of shopping. I want to say that I bought these many lockets from outside. These many. They are so good. I went in the seashore and I dipped myself. I enjoyed and now I'm going to the temple. There's some show going on. Some big festival is there. I see that there's a beautiful stage up there, right up there. And in my first video you will see the festival which is going to happen over here. Indian dance. It's famous for Indian dance. This place, Tamil Nadu. Art and culture, couture, and beauty. A lot of things. Indian Dance Festival 2024. Because the year is ending. I'm so lucky that wherever I go, some festivals on the art, culture and couture always happen. Like in my YouTube, if you see the vid, I went to New York where I could see the drag race, RuPaul's drag race show the first time. And this beautiful sea around this beautiful temple, and if you see how many nandis are there, nandis are supposed to be, what do you say?
Just one. ഇത് വേണം.
They are beautiful ancient creature of the mythology, Hindu mythology. Lord Shiva's horse, Nandis. And this beautiful flowing river, ocean or sea, whatever you call it. It's a sea. And look at the waves. It's so. The current is where the wave, the top, everything is not a river, it's a sea. Sorry. And this tree, the bald tree without leaves. It's the month of December. 24th December is the day on the eve of Christmas Eve. Here I am enjoying this beautiful view of Indian, South Indian summer, winter, and You see the beautiful rock solid, beautiful rock, so beautiful from around, and the tides of this beautiful sea. Looks like a lot of waves coming, and I'm so cool about this. We should not litter on the seashore or wherever we are. We carry everything wrong. It's a punishable offense as per Indian law. And this is the balcony. Here I am back again showing you the close-up view. Looks like some archaeological digging happened here in this beautiful monumental place. And when you go inside and you see, you can find these rocks have some story to tell, which I don't know. I have to explore and research. This is Mahabalipuram Temple, seashore temple of Mahabalipuram. You go and surf, use your books and your research tools. You see, I put them to work. I have put all of you to work, and I'm going closer to this temple. I want to see what this dig work has to say. This archaeological survey. It has got some huge importance, and I don't know if we should feature you and broadcast you, but you should know that I have a channel which celebrates every country of this world, and how cannot I celebrate this beautiful Indian soil from southern part of India, Tamil Nadu, which has given us beautiful artists. And I am an Indian, so it's my responsibility to showcase my home country. This temple looks gorgeous. There's so many nandis. I think these were found in archaeological digging. And when the lights are up in the night, see, I'm touching this. Beautiful. They have monumented it nicely. They have preserved the importance of this. How many nandis? And these rocks look original. These are rock. They look original. The rock from that time. These rock. You see, since I'm a sci-fi novelist, so I'm very much interested in rocks. I keep digging and I'm trying to find how the Martian rocks would be. So consider it my own research work. Being an Indian, those two rocks has a lot of story. They have editing is a good. I'm sorry about this. And then let's move on to this beautiful. I don't know how many nandis they have got. This beautiful temple from Mahabalipuram, southern and south. Imparting and educating. Look at this shivling shaped. I never knew the ring shaped rocks. The way you have celebrated it looks so good. This shivling shaped rock and this ancient Nandi. These all were found when they dug this beautiful portion of the globe and they found this Boeing Nandi, they found this Navagraha stone, and I'm imparting education to the babies who don't know, and they cannot reach their little feet. I'm starting it again, my beautiful temple. I think this is one of the longest videos I've done in my YouTube. I have seen so many places which have so many good things to say, but I have never featured this long any temple or any place of work which is archaeologically surveyed and is rebuilt. And I can see this Nandi Kala over here. Yeah, but Nandi over here. I have to say, Nandi intel that this looks like Shiva. There is some work going on still. And you find this you find this beautiful. Have you seen this beautiful well? This is some sort of well or baby shower or baby bath tub, I believe, or tub and with some one might be taking a bathe or something. It looks like that. This is so beautiful. This temple, marvelous. I will go to that Nandi Gala and see. What I have missed is the darshan, which I'm going with my slippers because this is archaeological dug and built and rebuilt stuff with some importance just carrying. Look at the stones. Stones are, I feel like touching Har Har Mahadev, Shankar Parvati ki engraved inside. And there's a bathtub. We believe in Om Namah Shivaya. The third Lord from the Har Har Mahadev. I didn't go the Nandi though. We should when we go first. I missed that trail. Shubha Shubha. Mangalam.
ये main gate.
May the happiness be with it. I want to do one more parikrama. I'm going to see the Nandi Gala.